Dave Snyder here. It is the 25th night of April 2014. And I just discovered this new pattern here. Let me just show you here. Okay, this is, I saved this from the North Pole just a minute ago. Let me show you. North Pole weather. See that right there? Whenever you see a curve like that at that radius or whatever they, where it has that curve to it at that size basically, and you can see that it would, if you were to continue the circle around, it would make a circle about that size. Those are the circles that are all over the Earth that we see in Indonesia right here, Marianas Trench right here, there's one, just everywhere on the Earth basically, especially over here. All the continents share that same, have those, are that size. See this circle? See this area here? Same size. Okay, so this is since I can't do an overlay at the North Pole, like I mentioned before, you have to take the North Pole, save the image, and then take it down and put it somewhere, where you already had, somewhere lower where I already had my Oriental up, overlaid right here in the Pacific. So I just brought that up, and then I just aligned this. It took me a minute to get it right, and basically this is how I aligned it. The curve that you see in the weather here, and Greenland here, just like that, pretty much. And it goes together. It might not be perfect at the moment. I think I could do a little better adjustment right now. I'll just try to adjust a little bit better. Here it is. Alright. See if I can get in there just a bit better. Too much. But you see the claw print of mistakes right there. I'll show it to you in a minute. Now you see Greenland is still to scale, right? Greenland is still to scale. You see that Greenland is about the size it is normally on the Earth. And I got that overlaid over a crater that's on the moon. And it fits really good on this crater. Let me see it a little better. This ain't doing too good. It's gonna look just like that. That's it. There it is. Something like that. Anyway, this might go all the way up to here. This goes just like this. It's an impact from that area of the moon hitting there. Totally shaping Greenland, along with the other impacts that hit near Greenland, like the lunar South Pole. That goes with that. You can see this. Look at this pattern here in the weather. And just take a look at the picture. You can see the same. It would create the same pattern, or it's possible that it could. I think it goes right there. I should turn off this weather actually when I show it to you. So somewhere in Greenland, there's like right here in the center, there's something to go along with that geologic formation right there on the moon. See that? Right in the center of Greenland. It would be right in the center. Right here somewhere. Wherever that big, it looks like it actually looks like the rising sun kind of with the rays. It has this pattern right there. You can see different pictures sometimes. But that goes right there, I'm sure. And then there was another area I want to talk about, right? that's good enough. Anyways, that was over North America there, that picture. Let's just take this one away and see how it fits over North America, or the Pacific actually. What do we see in Mexico? Look at Mexico. Mexico would continue that curve right there. See that? That's what gets me every time. That's the strange thing that happens a lot. Is that Mexico's in this picture down here somewhere. I mean, the land definitely gets. It had to be layered. See how that ring curves right around? See Mexico right here? It's got that curve. You see the ring? It was either hit by the same thing or hit at the same time. I mean, for it to. I mean, I know I lined it to the crater, and if the crater hit two different places, but it's just tough to think that. I mean, it really is. But the moon's hit a lot of times. Everything you see on the moon is an impact with Earth, I believe. I've lined them all up. They all fit. They all fit. Wow. That makes that ring perfect right there. See it right here. Crater. Alright, well that's it. Sorry it wasn't more overlays, but try not to put out too much. Alright, have a good one.